Hello, ladies. Whether you're getting ready for a special occasion or just want to look and feel your best every day, these tips will help you achieve that polished and confident look. In this comprehensive program, we'll guide you through the essential top 10 grooming checklists, helping you unlock your full potential and boost your self-confidence. Number 1 on our list is skincare. Healthy, glowing skin is the foundation of any great look. Make sure to cleanse, moisturize, and protect your skin with sunscreen daily. Don't forget about exfoliation and regular skincare routines that suit your skin type. Next up is hair care. Whether you have long locks or a chic pixie cut, keeping your hair well maintained is essential. Regular washing, conditioning, and occasional deep treatments will keep your hair looking its best. Now, let's talk about makeup. Makeup is a powerful tool to enhance your features. Whether you prefer a natural look or enjoy experimenting with bold colors, having a well-stocked makeup kit and knowing how to apply it can make a significant difference. Your wardrobe plays a vital role in your overall grooming. Invest in well-fitted, classic pieces that make you feel confident. Don't forget to keep your clothes clean and well-organized. Nails are often a small detail that can make a big impact. Keep your nails clean and manicured. You can choose to go for a simple, natural look or experiment with nail art. Scent is a powerful sense. Wearing a lovely perfume can leave a lasting impression. Find a fragrance that suits your personality and use it sparingly for that added touch of sophistication. Good hygiene is non-negotiable. Regular showers, dental care, and maintaining personal hygiene are crucial for feeling fresh and confident. Confidence is the key to beauty. Maintain good posture and work on building your self-confidence. A confident woman is a beautiful woman, no matter her age or appearance. A healthy lifestyle is the secret to long-lasting beauty. Eat well, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. These habits will radiate through your skin and overall appearance. Last but not least, self-care. Taking time for yourself is essential. Whether it's a relaxing bath, a spa day, or simply unwinding with a good book, self-care helps you recharge and stay fabulous. That wraps up our top 10 female grooming checklist. Remember, grooming is not just about looking good, but also feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and lifestyle tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Epic Pink.